How to clean an air mattress. Air mattresses are great for guests and quickly creating a sleeping space in any room. Due to the delicate material they're made of, they can't be cleaned like regular mattresses. Air mattresses can be quickly and easily cleaned though. Once they are clean, you should properly maintain and repair them when necessary for prolonged use. Step 1. Clean after every use. It is ideal to clean your air mattress after every use. If that isn't possible, it is good to clean it once a month. At the very least, you should clean it once a season, depending on how often you use it. Clean the air mattress immediately if you see any mold or mildew build up. Step 2. Clean with water and mild soap. Pour a few drops of mild soap into a bowl of water. Dampen a clean cloth with the water and soap. Gently scrub every area of the mattress with the cloth, paying special attention to stains. Allow the mattress to air dry. Step 3. Wipe the pump with a damp cloth. Use a mild detergent and damp cloth on the pump for the air mattress. Wipe it down and then allow it to air dry. Keep the pump away from dust by storing it in a box or container. Step 4. Sprinkle baking soda to reduce odor. Sprinkle baking soda onto the mattress. You should lightly cover the air mattress, but it is not necessary to use a lot of baking soda. Allow the baking soda to sit for a few minutes and then vacuum it up. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.